Maruti Dzire versus Honda Amaze Maintenance Cost. Maruti Dzire service cost for diesel. First service 1000 km or 1 month 2480 rupees. Second service 5000 km or 6 month 5180. Third service 10,000 km or 12 month 5930. Fourth service 20,000 km or 24 month 6080. Fifth service 30,000 km or 36 month rupees 6430. Sixth service 40,000 km or 48 month 6455. Seventh service 50,000 km or 60 month 6755. Honda Amaze service cost for diesel. First service free. Second service 10,000 km or 12 month rupees 8,880. Third service 20,000 km or 24 month 8,880. Fourth service 30,000 km or 36 month 13,030 rupees. Fifth service 40,000 km or 48 month rupees 11,380. Sixth service 50,000 km or 60 month 13,060 rupees. Maruti Dzire petrol service cost. First service 1000 km or 1 month 1,590 rupees. Second service 5,000 km or 6 month 2,190. Third service 10,000 km or 12 month 3,870. Fourth service 20,000 km or 24 month 5,120. Fifth service 30,000 km or 36 month 4,770. Sixth service 40,000 km or 48 month 5,495. Seventh service 50,000 km or 60 month 5,095 rupees. Honda Amaze petrol service cost. First service free. Second service 10,000 km or 12 month 4,785. Third service 20,000 km or 24 month 5,230 rupees. 5,235 rupees. Fourth service 30,000 km or 36 month 7,785. Fifth service 50,000 km or 48 month 8,385. Approximate service cost for Maruti Dzire diesel in 5 years 39,310 rupees. Approximate service cost for Honda Amaze diesel in 5 years 55,230 rupees. Approximate service cost for Maruti Dzire petrol in 5 years cost 28,130. Approximate service cost for Honda Amaze petrol in 4 years cost rupees 26,190.